Alright, quickly, let me show you how to export your video from CapCut without paying for CapCut Pro. As you can see, I've not paid for the CapCut Pro, but I'm going to show you how exactly you can export your video from CapCut Pro without paying. And I'm going to do that in the next 1 minute. Now, click here to start, import your video, and then begin to edit. Add all the editing features you want to add, both free and pro features, because we are going to export free of charge. Okay, after adding, press Ctrl A to highlight all the features, and then press Alternate G to group them. Then right click, come here, and then press preprocess compound clip, and then allow it to load. Alright, when it has finished loading like this, it will look like this. Then click the cancel button to cancel. Then make sure you know the name of your project. For mine it is 0804. So go to the setting icon at the right top corner of your system, press setting, and then come here, press this first folder here. Then these are your files, but you don't have anything to do with them, leave them. Let's go here, click here, and then copy this, then cancel and go back. Then go to your file explorer, open your file explorer, and then paste that which you have copied. Then locate the name of your project, come to resources, then come to combination, and then here is your project. This is where CapCut saves your project before they have been exported. Let's play it and see. Here are terrible mistakes that can put your channel in trouble. The last one can put your channel in danger of being hacked by hackers. Now watch this video and make sure that it is correct, everything you want is intact, and then cancel here and copy the video and take it to the folder that you can remember, and then go back to CapCut, then import it again. Now you have your video fully edited and you can export it from CapCut without paying anything. So you can go to export and then export your video. You see, you can export it at the highest quality without paying anything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video.